Question number 2. Pheromones are chemical substances that used by some animals for A. Mating, B. Communication, C. Growth, D. Reproduction. By the way, it's not considered a new question, but the rephrasing here is a little bit different, and he brought something that is much more common, and he want to make it a little bit confusing for some of you. So pay attention. The perfect communication, or the answer that best fit here, is B, which is communication. Okay, by the way, pheromones are being used for the mating. Mating is a part of the sexual reproduction. Okay, but all of those under the communication. So the answer that best fit here is B, which is communication. So watch out. Yeah, as you know, the organism can release pheromones in order to communicate to another organism from the same species without being encountered by the predators. And this will be useful in another question, okay? Ants, for example, when they are moving from their nest, they deposit pheromone A, and they are follow pheromone B towards the food that maybe both from another, okay, ant. So they are moving in a fixed pathway. And when they are moving back to their nest, they deposit from pheromone B closer to the food. They are following the pheromone A that guiding them towards their nest. Of course, they are chemical substances that are being used between the individuals of the same species, okay, in order to communicate without having any encounters by the enemies or predators, or even in other species.